EPCB's 4-ton gas steam boiler is about to be sent to a garment factory to help them achieve efficient production. This 4-ton gas steam boiler is one of EPCB's star products. First, let's take a look at the appearance design of the boiler. The exquisite manufacturing process and solid structure ensure its durability and reliability. This boiler is equipped with an advanced control system, which is easy to operate and allows users to easily adjust the working parameters of the boiler. At the same time, the efficient burner ensures the full combustion of the fuel, maximizes the thermal efficiency and reduces the operating cost. EPCB's 4-ton gas steam boiler not only has excellent performance in the body design, but also the energy saver and gas cylinder equipped also reflect our excellence in details. Whether it is energy saving and environmental protection, or the stability of steam supply, we strive to do our best to provide customers with the most efficient and reliable solutions. EPCB's 4-ton gas steam boiler has become the first choice of many industrial users with its excellent performance and reliable quality. Thanks for the trust of the garment factory. We will continue to help all walks of life flourish with high-quality products and services. Now, this boiler is ready and is about to start. I wish the production of the garment factory will flourish. EPCB, your trusted choice.